Fluffy Pancakes Delight, a breakfast bliss recipe. Embark on a gastronomic journey with our mouthwatering pancake recipe that promises to elevate your breakfast experience to new heights. These fluffy delights, kissed with the sweet essence of maple syrup, are a symphony of flavors and textures that guarantee an unforgettable morning satisfaction. Indulge in the perfect blend of lightness and richness, making each bite a moment of pure bliss. Get ready to be obsessed with this breakfast masterpiece that is not only easy to whip up, but also leaves your taste buds dancing in delight. 10 number tips. Begin with high-quality ingredients for the best flavor and texture. Use buttermilk for a tangy twist and extra fluffiness. Let the pancake batter rest for at least 10 minutes to allow the ingredients to meld. Preheat your griddle or pan to the right temperature to achieve a golden brown perfection. Add a splash of vanilla extract for a subtle aromatic touch. Incorporate a touch of cinnamon for a warm and comforting flavor. Cook the pancakes in batches to ensure even cooking. Keep pancakes warm in a low oven while preparing the entire batch. Experiment with toppings like fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a dollop of whipped cream. Drizzle with pure maple syrup just before serving for an irresistible finishing touch. Recipe ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a half teaspoon baking soda, a half teaspoon salt, 2 cups buttermilk, 2 large eggs, a 1/4 cup melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a half teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions: in a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, eggs, melted butter, vanilla extract, and ground cinnamon. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and gently stir until just combined. Do not overmix. Lumps are okay. Let the batter rest for 10 minutes. Preheat a griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Ladle a 1/4 cup of batter onto the griddle for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until golden brown on the other side. Repeat with the remaining batter. Serve warm, topped with your favorite fruits and a generous drizzle of maple syrup. Say goodbye to ordinary breakfasts and hello to a morning ritual that will have you counting down the minutes until sunrise. Our fluffy pancakes, adorned with the sweetness of maple syrup, are more than just a meal, they're a celebration of flavors. With these 10 tips and a simple recipe, satisfaction is not just promised. It's guaranteed. Make breakfast the highlight of your day, and dive into the enchanting world of these mouth-watering delights. Your obsession with this culinary masterpiece begins now.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.